Agonal breathing or gasping is an abnormal pattern of breathing that most often occurs when a person is in cardiac arrest. Agonal breathing is irregular, lasting from a few seconds to minutes. Gasping may be present in up to 40% of victims in the first minutes after cardiac arrest. It is important to remember that agonal breathing is not sufficient in delivering oxygen to the body. Gasping is a sign of cardiac arrest and is not considered breathing. Call emergency ambulance if have not done so. Ensure adequate exposure to the chest and start chest compression over central of chest/lower half of sternum.